Working on this particular part of the project, on the pie chart, it's 25.9% of the estimated bills that we have coming from the electric supplier. We'll also be making some comments about lowering our hot water heating costs 65%. So we'll carry forward with this and see what you think. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, direct sun on the new solar furnace. And I don't think I ever had a furnace in my house work at this heat. You have to be careful at this point because the furnace can overheat if you haven't got it properly vented, and I do. Closed in this normal size room. This one's about 14 by 12 with a walk-in closet 8 by 8 visiting room. It's about 94 degrees now. And it's getting a little warm, so I'm going to keep the door open. You can get it. That's Luke, the family pet. This is the solar furnace that's under construction. We have a little skirting that will fit it, and then we have some potted plants we'll put around it, make it a little decorative. But it's a 2 foot by 8 foot. Made it in about an hour and a half. I'm a little slower because I'm 69 years old and retired. Give an old man a break. But it works. It really works, as you will see. It's together for everyone's mutual benefit. Well, it's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and I just opened up the door to this bedroom. It's about 96 degrees in here, and the temperature will drop as I keep the door open. It'll circulate throughout the house on its own. I'll be putting a fan down at the bottom. I'm not going to pipe the air from the house. I'm just going to take it from the outside because we're in South Florida, and the outside temperature isn't that bad during the winter. And then I'm going to seal the top and pump it into the house and make sure it's sealed off coming into the house, so it'll provide a nice augment of heat during the day. At night, the normal heating system will take over, but the house will be already heated quite well for free. As many would know, there's a simple principle with the solar furnace. You just simply collect heat on a black surface, seal it, and pump it to where you want it to go. It's not enough by convection. It will produce much better if you put a small vent fan and then seal the top permanently with plexiglass or something similar. So that'll be the next phase we do, and you'll see a video on that. But here it is. I built it 2 feet wide, 8 feet long, in order to be able to handle it. Positively reduce your electric use and your electric bills. I've done it now in the 4th year, $1,430, and we plan to go lower. I videotaped 10 steps, and it's a complete package of what I've done, so you can copy all or any parts of it that fit you in your area, in your neighborhood, and we can form groups and discuss this, and any new improvements, we can all incorporate them.